In number 1, we want to evaluate this algebraic expression when x is equal to 3. So what that means is we're just going to substitute in 3 into this expression. So what I like to do is rewrite the expression, and instead of x, I put an open set of parentheses, so that gives us a spot where we can put the 3. So we're just going to put the 3 right in the parentheses, and then evaluate. All right, so we'll evaluate according to order of operations. So first we do multiplication. So there we have 7 minus 4 times 3, 7 minus 12. And here we're subtracting smaller minus larger. So the answer will be negative 7 minus 12. Just subtract, and we have negative 5. In the second one, we have 3 minus 4x, and we're substituting in a negative 2 right here. So let's rewrite, putting parentheses for x, and put in the negative 2. And first we're going to do multiplication. We're going to multiply minus 4 times minus 2. So we have 3 plus 8, which is equal to 11. In number 3, we have 3 minus x squared. So let's rewrite. Instead of x squared, we're putting parentheses squared. Put the minus 4 in the parentheses. Make sure you put that square on the outside of the parentheses. All right, so now we're going to do exponentiation first. So we're doing minus 4 times minus 4. A negative times a negative is a positive. So that's minus 3 times 16. Negative times positive is negative. 3 times 16 is 48, so we have negative 48. In number 4, let's rewrite. 3 parentheses squared minus 4 parentheses minus 1. Let's substitute in that negative 2. And we'll start evaluating, starting with the exponent, exponentiation. Minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. So here we have 3 times 4. Let's multiply minus 4 times minus 2, so that's a positive 8. All right, so here we have 3 times 4, that's 12, plus 8, subtract 1. 12 plus 8, so we have 20. Subtract 1, and that's 19. In number 5, we'll rewrite first. So here we have minus 2 parentheses squared plus 3 times parentheses minus 2. All right, we're substituting in the minus 2 in the parentheses, so we'll put the minus 2 here and here as well. All right, now let's evaluate. First do minus 2 squared is a positive 4. And now going left to right, minus 2 times 4, that's negative 8. And here we have negative 6. And now left to right, we're going to view this as an addition. Minus 8 plus minus 6, that's negative 14. And again, let's view this as an addition. Minus 4 plus minus 2. So it's as if there's an invisible plus sign in the middle here that we don't write in. Minus 14 plus minus 2 minus 16. Negative 16. In number 6, we have 2 variables. So we're going to just use 2 sets use parentheses for each, like that. And now where x was, we're going to put in a -4, so we're going to put a -4 here. And x was right here, so a -4 here as well. And then we're going to put a 2 where y was right here, so we put a 2 here. Now let's go left to right. 5 times -4, that's -20, times 2. I'm just rewriting. All right. Here we have -40. And remember that when we subtract a negative, we add a positive, or when we have a minus situation, it turns into a single positive. So that's -40 plus 4. Okay, subtract takes sign of bigger. So that would be 36, and since 40 is larger than 4, our answer is negative. So that's -36, or -36. Number 7, again, we have two variables. Let's put down our expression with parentheses. Parentheses for x and parentheses for y. All right, let's first start with -2, putting that where x was, right here and right here. And then 3, let's put that where y was, here and here. So 3 goes here and a 3 goes here. And I will start evaluating. Okay. -2 squared is +4. I'm just rewriting everything and just getting ready to do our operations left to right. Here we have a 20. And now we're multiplying. Remember, there's an imaginary plus sign right here. So we're multiplying -3 times -2, that's 6, times 3 is 18, so that's +18. Plus 3. And now let's just add left to right. So 20 plus 18, that's 38. Plus 3 is 41. Okay, number 8, instead of a and b, we're going to put parentheses. There's our a, there's our b. Okay, that's for b squared, and that's for a, and that's for b. Okay, where a is equal to -2, so we're going to put it here, right here, and right here. And b is equal to 3, so we're going to put that b here, we're going to put it here, and we're going to put it here. All right, let's do our exponent first. So here we have 2 times -2 times 3 minus 4 times 3 squared minus 4 times 9. And then we'll start doing our multiplication left to right. So here we have -4 multiplied by 3, so that's -12. Here we have 4 times 9, subtract 36. And here we're multiplying negative times positive, so the result is negative. So we have plus -6, or plus -6 is the same as -6. All right, so let's start combining these. So remember, there's an imaginary plus right here. So here we're adding a -12 and a -36. So that's -48. Again, an imaginary plus sign right here. So we're adding -48 and minus 6. So that's negative 54.